What if I told you there's an ETF paying you every single week, and it's not tied to just one volatile stock like Tesla or Nvidia? Sounds like a dream, right? But this isn't fantasy. We're talking about the ULTY ETF, a newer player from YieldMax that's grabbing attention with its weekly income strategy. And the big question is, can this ETF actually replace your paycheck? Let's break it down right here on Money Stick Unfiltered, the place where your stickman friend keeps it real about money, investing, and why some ETFs might just beat your job. All right, first things first. ULTY stands for the YieldMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF. It's part of the rapidly growing family of YieldMax funds that specialize in enhanced income generation, and unlike some of its more hyped-up cousins like MSTY or TSLY, ULTY takes a very different approach. How different? Well, instead of tying its fate to a single high-volatility stock like MicroStrategy or Tesla, ULTI spreads itself across 118 different stocks. That's right. This is a diversified covered call ETF, not a single stock gamble. And that makes a big difference when it comes to consistency, risk, and the all-important question, can you count on it to pay the bills? Let's talk about its core strategy. ULTI holds a portfolio of ETFs and stocks, then sells call options on them to generate income. That income is then distributed to shareholders, weekly. Yep, we're talking 4 paychecks a month, 52 paychecks a year. Now, let's do some math. As of now, ULTI is trading around $6.26 per share. And based on recent weekly distributions, it's averaging about 10 cents per share per week, which works out to roughly 40 cents per month. On an annualized basis, that's $7.62 in dividends per share. So what's the yield? If you take that $7.62 and divide it by the share price of $6.26, you get an annual dividend yield of approximately 121.6%. Yeah, you heard that right. Almost 122%. But before you get too excited, slow down. High yields always come with a catch, and in this case, the biggest risk is NAV erosion, net asset value. Because ULTI is actively selling covered calls, it's capping the upside of its holdings. That means when the market rises, ULTI won't capture all of those gains. Over time, this could lead to a drop in the ETF's share price. In other words, you might be getting a fat paycheck now, but if your capital shrinks in the process, your long-term gains could be a lot less impressive. So let's answer the question, can ULTI replace your paycheck? Let's say your goal is to make $3,000 per month in income. At a yield of nearly 121.6%, how much capital would you need? Using that $7.62 annual payout per share, you'd need around 2,368 shares to earn $3,000 per month. At $6.26 per share, that's roughly $14,811 invested. Now that might sound crazy, $15,000 to make $36,000 a year? But remember, this income isn't guaranteed, and this ETF is not designed for growth. It's an income-focused ETF, meaning your principal may not appreciate much or at all over time. And if you don't reinvest your dividends, you're just slowly draining value from your original investment as market fluctuations chip away at the share price. But on the flip side, if your goal is cash flow and you're okay with accepting some risk, this could be part of an aggressive income strategy. Compare that to SCHD, one of the most popular dividend ETFs in the world. SCHD's current yield is around 3.6%, and it pays quarterly, not weekly. So to earn that same $3,000 a month, or $36,000 a year, you'd need to invest nearly $1 million into SCHD. $15,000 into ULTI or $1 million into SCHD. That's the power and the danger of these YieldMax strategies. They offer massive income potential, but at a cost. SCHD is stable, proven, and less volatile. ULTI is bold, fast-moving, and income-focused, but still relatively new and untested long-term. Let's go even deeper. The reason ULTI can produce this much income is because of the options premium it collects from selling covered calls on volatile positions. The underlying portfolio contains a blend of large cap growth, value, and tech stocks, meaning it isn't tied to one company's performance like MSTY is to MicroStrategy. That diversification is a major plus. In fact, it may be what sets ULTY apart from other YieldMax ETFs that are overly dependent on single stocks. If Tesla tanks, TSLY crumbles. But with ULTY, one or two bad-performing stocks don't break the fund. But remember, selling calls limits upside. If Apple, Nvidia, or Amazon in the ULTY basket suddenly rally 30%, ULTY doesn't get those gains. The option premiums get larger, but the share price appreciation is capped. Another downside? Tax treatment. Weekly income sounds great, until you realize most of that income is likely classified as non-qualified or ordinary income, which means it's taxed at your regular income rate, not the favorable long-term capital gains rate. So, if you're in a high tax bracket and holding this in a taxable account, you might want to rethink your strategy, or at least stash ULTY inside a Roth IRA if possible. Now let's look at chart performance. In the first few months since its launch, ULTY has remained relatively stable in price, hovering around the $6 to $7 range. The weekly income has remained consistent, averaging about $0.09 to $0.12 per share. That reliability has attracted income-focused investors who are tired of waiting 3 months for a dividend check. Some investors are now building weekly income ladders using ULTY, along with other YieldMax ETFs like MSTY, TSLY, or NVDY. The idea is that you buy a mix of these ETFs with staggered pay dates, and together they produce a paycheck every week, sometimes even multiple times per week. So here's the final verdict. Can ULTY replace your paycheck? Technically, yes. With enough capital and the right expectations, ULTY can provide a very real, very consistent stream of weekly income. It's not magic, it's options math. But should it replace your paycheck? That's a whole other conversation. ULTY is high risk, high reward. It's income focused but not growth focused. And it relies heavily on the options market staying robust. If volatility dries up, or if the underlying assets underperform for long periods, that fat yield might start to shrink. So if you're considering ULTY, treat it like what it is, a powerful tool, not a full solution. It could be a great supplement to a dividend income strategy, but betting your entire retirement or paycheck on it? That's not the move. Here's a better way to think about it. Use SCHD or VTI for your core portfolio. Add ULTY as an income amplifier. Maybe 10 to 15% of your portfolio if you're comfortable with the risk. Then reinvest or use the income for cash flow. You get the best of both worlds, stability from your core ETFs and weekly income from ULTY. That's how you win in the long game. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a weekly dividend update. This is Money Stick Unfiltered. Real talk, real money, real results.